In today's brief video, we're going to look at 30-year bond futures in the context to astrology. The image that you're seeing on the screen in front of you is the natal birth chart for the 22nd of August, 1977. It was on that date that bond futures first began trading in Chicago on a recognized financial exchange. And on the 22nd of August, 1977, we can see the positioning of the various planets. For example, we can see that Mars was located in the sign of Taurus. We can see that Mercury was located in the sign of Virgo. But take note that Mercury and Mars were 90 degrees apart from one another. In astrological parlance, a 90-degree aspect is considered to be a hard aspect and certainly one worthy of watching. Now let's take a look at a price chart. What you're seeing on the screen in front of you is the September 2013 daily price chart for bond futures. And I've positioned the chart to begin at the beginning of 2013, and it takes you right up till the present time in August as I'm preparing this video. On the chart, I've overlaid 3 red arrows. Now each of these arrows is a date when Mercury and Mars exhibited a hard aspect to one another. This hard aspect could have been 0 degrees, it could have been 90, it could have been 180. For example, in February, we can see that there was a hard aspect between Mercury and Mars. Bond prices increased from about the 141 level up to about the 143 level. Certainly a tradable move and a very profitable one at that. Then, at the hard aspect in March, bond prices promptly fell. The trend, short-term trend, changed. The next big swing we had occurred in May at another hard aspect between Mercury and Mars. And bond prices at that time had reached the 148 level, and the trend immediately stopped and started to move down. And to this day, the downtrend continues. There is another layer, another chapter to the bond story. And if you read any material by trader and author Larry Pesavento, he is adamant that those times when the planet Mars changes signs of the zodiac, those times will align to trend changes on bond futures. So here's a chart of the September 2013 bond futures contract. The chart goes from March of 2013 up until August. I've overlaid 4 black arrows on the chart. These are times when the planet Mars changed signs of the zodiac. So for example, back in March, you can see that the bond prices had been trending down. As Mars changed signs, the trend changed and bond prices started to move up. We can see that towards the end of April, we again had a Mars sign change, and at that point, bond prices reached a peak and started to decline. At the Mars sign change in June, there was a very small counter-trend rally, and then bond prices continued to fall. In July, there was another Mars sign change, and bond prices at that time had been starting to rally, but the rally was cut short and the downtrend resumed. To learn more about financial astrology and how it can help you improve your trading and investing, please be sure to visit our website at www.investingsuccess.ca. Please also be sure to follow our regular blog posts that you can find at www.astrologicaltrading.wordpress.com. Please also give some thought to acquiring copies of our 2 books that we have published in 2013, The Bull, the Bear, and the Planets, an introduction to the subject of financial astrology, and The Lost Science, Esoteric Math and Astrological Techniques for the Market Trader. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this brief video presentation today. Please stay tuned to this YouTube channel for more such videos in the very near future.